Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the physical link right. This matters because the console is the only always available access path. Plug the RJ45 to DB9 or USB-C adapter into your laptop, then attach the console cable to the Fortigate. Set your terminal app to 9600 baud, A10.1, no flow control so the device and terminal speak the same language. Once done, power cycle the Fortigate while watching the terminal. Early boot messages confirm you have a live console session. Once you see the login prompt, type your admin username and password. You must do this because CLI grants full control. If the unit is fresh, default admin may have no password. Set one immediately with strong entropy. After login, run get system status to verify firmware and serial. Use config system global to view or change global settings. Make sure to record the unit's management IP so you can switch to SSH or GUI later. Console access is for recovery and initial setup. You finish by applying and saving settings so the Fortigate keeps them across reboots. Configure the management interface with an IP, gateway, and enable SSH or HTTPS, then test remote access. This moves you off the console for daily ops. If the console shows no output, stop and confirm cable type and terminal settings. Wrong flow control or a bad adapter is the usual cause. If problems persist, try another USB port, replace the cable, and reboot to rule out transient faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.